Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teachnology Times. In this video, I'll show you how to create a class team in Microsoft Teams and add students to that class team. Please note that you must have an enterprise email ID and the students should also have enterprise email IDs to use Microsoft Teams for education. To create a team, you have to go to Teams and then join or create a team. Here you can take create team option. There are 4 different types of teams in Microsoft Teams. A class team for a teacher, student to discuss, for group projects, for discussions, sending assignments and quizzes. And the second type is a professional learning community. This is meant for teachers. The other one is for staff, that is school, college administration and development staff. The other one is other type of teams for club study groups that can be created by students for curricular or extracurricular activities. In this video, I am showing you how to create a class team where the teacher is the owner of the team, students are the participants in the team. Click class, give a name for this class. I am giving a name software engineering second BTech CSC. That is the name of the team, software engineering second BTech CSC. You can give a description if you want. Then you can click next. The team is getting created. It is getting the things ready for you. Once the team is created, you can add students to the group. For that, you need to know the student IDs or the student email IDs. In our college, we have student email IDs with their roll numbers. So to add a student, I simply type the roll number of the student, 19570A0501. So when you type it, it shows the student name. You can click it. You can also do it. You can also keep adding students. In one go, 502. Okay. Click it and click add. If you click add, these students will be added to the team. For the demo purpose, I am adding some dummy students to this particular class. I have 2 dummy mail IDs, Thomas and Smith. I am adding them to this particular team. When I click add, Microsoft Teams adds these 2 students to my class, software engineering second BTech CSC. If I want to add more students, I can go here and manage team, add member. You can again add different students. Okay, that is how you can create a team and add students to a class group. There is one more way. If you want to lower the burden of adding 60 or 100 students to a class, you can create a team code and send it to the students using different communication methods. The students will simply get added to the class team using that code. Okay, you can generate a code by going to manage team. Okay, go to settings, go to team code, where you can generate a team code. So you can copy this code, and you can send this code to a group of students, and then they'll simply click join or create team and join a team with a code. See, I am giving my own team. I click join. Okay, so the student will be automatically added to the team. So that is one way around. That is the easy way around. But the problem with this particular method, that is asking the students to join a class team using a code, is if this code is known to other students, they may also add themselves to the team. So you do not know which student is getting added to your team. That is why the safest method is to go to this particular option, add member, and give the student, if you know the student name, or if you know the student's mail ID, you can type it and add the students to the team. Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel Teach Knowledge Times for more such videos.